Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to find the solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. Then you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.